In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an ad on Facebook Marketplace in 2026. To get started, open Facebook and log into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook interface, head over to Marketplace. This is where you can create listings and reach people who are actively browsing for items in their local area, or in some cases, looking for shipping options as well. When you arrive in Marketplace, click Create New Listing. From there, choose Item for Sale. In some cases, Facebook may show you more than one listing format, so just select the one that best matches what you're selling. Choosing the correct listing type helps make sure your ad appears in the most relevant section and gives buyers the right expectations from the start. Next, add your product photos. This part is extremely important because photos are usually the first thing buyers notice. Upload clear, high-quality images of the item, and if possible, include multiple angles. It's also a good idea to show any wear, damage, or unique details so your listing feels honest and complete. Better photos can help build trust and reduce unnecessary questions later. After that, fill in the product information. Add a title that clearly describes the item, then enter your price. Make sure you also choose the correct category and condition, since these details help Facebook place your listing in front of the right audience. Then write a detailed, accurate description. Try to be specific about what the item is, what shape it's in, and anything else a buyer should know before reaching out. Now set your location and delivery options. Enter the appropriate location so local buyers can find the listing more easily. Then choose whether the item is available for pickup, delivery, or shipping, depending on what Facebook allows for your listing and what you can realistically offer. It's important that these settings match what you're actually prepared to do, since that helps avoid confusion after someone contacts you. Once that's done, choose where to publish the listing. Review the available sharing options. Depending on your account and location, Facebook may also let you share the listing to relevant buy and sell groups. This can help increase visibility and put your item in front of more potential buyers. Before posting, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check the photos, title, price, category, condition, description, location, and delivery details. When everything looks correct, click Publish or List Item. And that's it. Your Facebook Marketplace listing is now live, and buyers can start finding it right away.